Let's see what the nice folks at Becko sent us.
Ooh, a magnetic chalkboard set. Look at all those pieces. A cute eraser, chalk, magnetic pieces, and an erasable marker. Nice! The chalkboard can stand up. I wrote with chalk, and I used this little eraser. So cute. I can flip it around. And I was able to write with this erasable marker and use the other side to erase. Look at what I did here. So many pieces. The combination's endless. Look at all these cute faces. I was able to do this and this. You can buy this on Amazon. I have the purchase link below. Thanks!